rested as he went along his way. When all at once the mighty herd of red-eyed cows he saw, plowing through the ragged skies and up the cloudy draw. Their brands were still on fire and their hooves were made of steel. Their horns were black and shiny and their hot breath he could feel. A bolt of fear went through him as they thundered through the sky, for he saw the riders coming hard, and he heard their mournful cries. Yippee-yi-yi, oh, yippee-yi-yo. Ghost riders in the sky. Faces gaunt, their eyes were blurred, the shirts all soaked with sweat. He's riding hard to catch that herd, but he ain't caught him yet. Cause they got to ride forever on that range up in the sky, on horses snorting fire as they ride on near their cries. As the riders loped on by him, he heard one call his name. If you want to save your soul from hell or riding on the range, then cowboy, change your ways today, or with us you will ride, trying to catch the devil's herd across these endless skies. Yippee-yi-yi. Riders in the sky. Ghost riders in the sky. Ghost riders in the sky.
Hi everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy what you see and hear, please consider subscribing and let me know what you think in the comment section below. I try to read all comments and I'll try to answer as many as I can. Thank you.